So here's the March 85 C5 wrap project. That's a chassis. This is the first time it's been off a chassis. And this is the one here that's really rusty. So yeah, unfortunately the chassis for this one is too far gone. I'm sure maybe in 30 years time we'll look back and wish we had saved these chassis. But this one here is going to go in the bin unless anyone wants it, of course. That's the damage there. Really bad. The hoop. Haven't been able to get this out here at the moment, so the hoop's still attached, but the hoops, they rusted through on here, and obviously it's gone on there. That's that. I had to chop off the handlebars so it's completely seized in, but I had a few sets of those spare anyway. Possibly a horn or a mirror on there. That's that part. Otherwise, not a bad shell. Got most of the bits here. Nice chain tensioner, nice chain. So that's the part there that was completely and utterly seized there, couldn't get out. So rather than damage anything, just easier to cut it off as that's going in the bin anyway. What I can do now is I can now get this nut off and start to reuse as much of this bits and pieces as I can. And that's properly dry as you like. So you go. Something's been living in there. I'll try and get the front forks off to reuse, and as much stuff as I can, of course, I'll reuse. But yeah, if anyone wants this chassis, if of course we can post it, then of course they're very welcome to it. Otherwise, it will get unfortunately cut in half and chucked in the bin. And there we are. Excellent. So that's the project, swapping the chassis over for one that I've got. Nothing else, just get it working, get another C5 back on the road. Excellent.